Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A31 and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So to get started, let's open up the settings right here, and from here let's scroll down to, where is it, security, fingerprint, face and password, there we go. And from here you have the fingerprint, so you can tap on it, then add a fingerprint. And before you can actually add a fingerprint, you will also have to set up a different way of unlocking the device, so fingerprint won't be your only way of doing so, because as an example you might actually, for instance, cut your finger and it will not read correctly because your finger won't look as the phone remembers it, and thus you won't be able to unlock your device. So this is for those times where you can't use your finger for some reason. So you can, by default it's set to password, which is just a numerical one, and we can tap on other encryption methods and you get a list of other things. So you have pattern, 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password, password with 8 or 4 to 16 alphabetical characters, so just a normal password. Choose which one you want. I'm actually gonna go with the pattern. Then you want to draw the pattern, redraw the same pattern, and there we go. Now we can start scanning our finger. Now the step with adding the pattern for me is only there because I didn't have any other protection of the device. If you already had some kind of set, so pattern, pin, password, whatever it was, you will go straight to this step right here. So let me just start scanning my finger on here. So you want to get a good read of your entire finger all around, along with the middle of it. Just tap on continue and finish it up. And there we go, and now it's done. Stop and continue, and now if we lock the device, I can unlock it with the fingerprint sensor, as you can see. And it works really quickly, as you can see. So it's right here. So as you can see, it works really quick. And yeah, that is basically how you would add it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.